Right, so let's do an all programs and options on this Hoover all-in-one condenser. Model number HLXC8TRGR80. This will also apply to any of the H-Dry models as well. So I'm just going to flicker on the switch. And it will light up as well. There we go. It'll beep twice. So obviously Wi-Fi on this, it just literally states Wi-Fi. There's no real program to it because it's obviously remote. First one we got then is Eco Cotton, which is cotton standard on this. 2S24 for hanger. Can't have any options on that. And then that's memo. And then obviously no time dry. And then obviously time dry. And that's delay timer that you can't have no time dry. Whites. Standard 2S24. 3 hours 21. Extra is 3 hours 51. That's time dry up to I believe it's 4 hours, I believe. Yeah, 3 hours 40. Jeans straight up to extra dry. Can't have that. Darks standard, it's light dry really, it's iron dry. 1 hour 14, 1 hour 44, 2 hours. Can't have time dry, delay timer with any of these cycles. If that is an easy iron feature, so if you use the easy iron, it will select iron dry. That's easy iron off. Synthetics, easy iron yes. Now with easy iron you can't have any of these, so you can't have any additional of these if you select iron dry. Yeah, easy iron on, easy iron off. 1 hour 50, 2 hours. Shirts, 1 hour 5 standard. So all of these are preset to hanger dry, which is the standard time. 1 hour 11, 1 hour 18, 45 for lightest, easy iron on. Rapid, so the way works on the same way as the washers do. You got 30, 45, 59. The way you select these is with the time dry, 45, 59, 30. No. All in one. No easy iron and no dryness level. No time. It says time delay. Extra hygiene. Easy iron on, easy iron off. 2 hours 9, 2 hours 21, 2 hours 34. Yeah. Refresh 20. 20 minutes. Wool mark. 1 hour 10. No. Delicates. It's funny how you can have delicates extra dry on delicates. 1 hour 10. And then time dry. Anti-allergy plus. 3 hours 51. That's time. So you can have timed anti-allergy from 2 hours to 3 hours 40. And then XXL, which is for 9 kilos, which is what this load's just come out of. Easy iron, yes. 42, 2 hours 22, 2 hours 44 for max level. So it starts at 1 hour 40. Yeah, sorry about that. 1 hour. It starts at 1 hour 42. It goes up to 2 3/4 hours. So in the Wi-Fi section, there is a whole different bunch of programs which I'll show you in a little bit. So bear with. Right. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll probably do all cycles in app as a separate video, so you guys can see everything else. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.